everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your Seabourn experts, and today I have the great pleasure of sharing with you the beautiful Seabourn Encore. This is one of the accessible veranda suites here on board. It's a really good size and I like the layout, and I'll take you through it in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this suite or any suite with Seabourn, you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel or book it right on harrtravel.com. We know we can help craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, Seabourn includes the things you love already, whether it's that wonderful cocktail at the bar with friends or the delicious over-the-top gourmet food that they include here on your voyage. But it's all about the service, delivering those Seabourn moments when you expect them, and even when you don't, that sets Seabourn apart. You're gonna love your time here on board as you explore the world in an incredible vessel. Now let's tour this suite. Now I mentioned that it is accessible, so it's quite a bit bigger than the standard verandas. You're gonna see the wider door upon arrival. Now it's not an automatic door, I wanted to point that out. And right through here, you go right into the bathroom. Once again, a wider door, easy to open and close. And as we step in, you're gonna find a nice large marble double vanity here. You've got your magnifying mirror, storage on the side, and the first glimpse of those highly upgraded molten brown bath amenities. Toilets tucked just behind. You've got grab bars on two sides here. And then I'll open the shower up for you. You've got a roll-in shower with a smooth threshold there. You're gonna find the bench seat does come down. You've got your controls right in front, shower head up above, and then the adjustable shower wand down below. Just outside, you've got your vanity to get ready. You can see more of those molten brown bath amenities you can choose from. And as we head into the bedroom, you've got a nice wide space here with a good turning radius, and you'll find your bed. It's a highly upgraded linens and pillows and mattress, an extra comfy night's sleep. It's together in the large configuration now, but it can be separated apart into two twins. Just let your Harr Travel advisor know. There's space underneath the bed to tuck your large items away, nightstands on either side with the emergency plugs, and then you'll also have European, US, USB, and USB-C chargers. Now, what I like about this configuration, you have an entire wall of storage here. So as I open this up, you're gonna have shelves up and down, safe down below. I like the lower location of that. You'll have drawers in there. Here, you're gonna find hanging storage across and those extra comfy bathrobes, slippers, and golf umbrella to use on board. And then over here, you're gonna find more hanging storage up above, and you'll have more storage with the shelves at the foot of the bed. Now as we head through into the living room, you've got the curtains here that pull shut, so you have that separation that creates a suite, and you'll find your large flat panel TV, fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television and movies on demand. You've got a bit of storage underneath, glassware and stemware up above on either side, and then I did want to point out the TV can angle towards the bed or towards your sofa. Now under here, you've got a stocked mini fridge. They'll replenish throughout your time on board. You've got your water that they'll also replenish as often as you like. And then as we step into the living room, you've got a nice sofa here and a full dining table. You can have every single one of your meals right here in your suite if you'd like, maybe just breakfast before you head out and enjoy an incredible destination. You've got bubbly on ice, and then I did want to point out you've got US and European plugs here as well. Now let's step out onto your private veranda. So now we're out on your veranda. You've got a little bit of a ramp up on the inside, ramp down on the outside, two chairs with ottoman and a coffee table. Keep in mind you can dine right out here as well, or you can have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, as you take advantage of the beautiful ever-changing ocean views. Now keep in mind they can remove some of the furniture if you need for a turning radius, but when you're ready to book this suite or any suite with Seabourn, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel, watch our full ship tour, and then book it with your Harr Travel advisor or right on harrtravel.com. We know we can craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the Harr Travel signature service and those Seabourn moments every step of the way.